Hey there, curious minds. I bet you've seen pictures of volcanoes spewing hot lava, right? Today we're going to explore these amazing natural wonders. Did you know that volcanoes are like the Earth's very own pressure cookers? They're openings in the Earth's surface that can let out super hot lava, ash, and gases from deep inside our planet. Isn't that amazing? You know, volcanoes are kind of like the Earth's way of burping. But instead of air, it's releasing all sorts of hot stuff from its tummy. Can you imagine standing near a volcano and feeling the ground rumble beneath your feet? It's like the Earth is alive and breathing. Let's dive in and learn all about these fiery mountains that have fascinated people for thousands of years. Are you ready for an explosive adventure? All right, let's start with the basics. You know how the Earth has a hard outer shell called the crust? Well, underneath that crust is a layer of hot, melted rock called magma. When this magma finds a weak spot in the Earth's crust, it pushes its way up and out, creating a volcano. It's like when you squeeze a tube of toothpaste, the toothpaste comes out of the opening, right? That's kind of how volcanoes work. Now, you might be wondering, how does all this happen? Well, it's because of these huge pieces of Earth's crust called tectonic plates. These plates are always moving, even though we can't feel it. When they bump into each other or move apart, it can create openings for the magma to escape. Isn't that cool? It's like a giant jigsaw puzzle that's always changing. And here's something really interesting. Did you know that most volcanoes are found underwater? Now that we know how volcanoes form, let's talk about the different types. You know, volcanoes are like people. They come in all shapes and sizes. There are three main types: shield volcanoes, composite volcanoes, and cinder cone volcanoes. Shield volcanoes are like giant flattened domes. They're called shield because they look like a warrior's shield lying on the ground. Composite volcanoes are the ones you probably picture when you think of a volcano, tall and cone-shaped like a mountain. And cinder cone volcanoes? Well, they're smaller and steeper, made up of bits of lava that have cooled and hardened. Let's talk about some famous volcano eruptions. Have you ever heard of Mount Vesuvius? It erupted way back in 79 AD and buried an entire city called Pompeii under ash. Can you imagine a whole city disappearing like that? Another famous eruption was Mount St. Helens in 1980. It blew off the entire top of the mountain. And then there's Krakatoa, which erupted so loudly in 1883 that people could hear it 3,000 miles away. Wow. We've journeyed into the fiery world of volcanoes. Isn't it amazing how something so powerful can shape our planet? Volcanoes might seem scary, but they're actually super important for Earth. They help create new land and even provide nutrients for the soil, making it great for growing plants. But remember, if you ever visit a place with a volcano, always follow safety rules and listen to the grown-ups in charge. They know how to keep you safe if the volcano decides to put on a show. Now, here's a fun fact to wrap up our volcanic adventure. Did you know that there are more than 1,500 active volcanoes in the world right now? That's a lot of potential fireworks.